So what is the difference between FDA cleared and FDA approved? So as a consumer, we use these terms interchangeably, but there's actually a meaningful difference between the two. FDA approved is reserved for life-sustaining devices, so that's things like pacemakers or implantables, and also for pharmaceuticals. So when you see something that says it's FDA approved and it is not a life-sustaining device, you should question the use of that language. What is used for other moderate risk devices on the market is what's called FDA cleared. So in order to be FDA cleared, just like FDA approved, you have to be reviewed by the FDA. And so this is things like, pregnancy tests, powered wheelchairs. There are a lot of things that we use in our lives at home that are FDA cleared. To be FDA cleared can require a different number of tests dependent on the device and the use of the device. But typically what you have to do is go through a long process where you show results from numerous tests in many different ways, including often what's called human factors, so that you can show that people know how to use your product and can follow the directions and have success with the product in the directions and how they're using that product. So FDA cleared is reserved for those more moderate risk devices, but it's also something you have to be aware of, that the device saying this is actually FDA cleared. So the next layer to all of this is FDA registered. So that simply means it's a lower risk device or product. And this could be anything from, Band-Aids to vaginal applicators, which might deliver like a cream to the vagina. These things can be class 1, and so they would be FDA registered. So that's kind of the difference between FDA cleared, FDA approved, and FDA registered. And as a consumer, I hope this helps you understand what those things mean. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm a medical device founder, and I'm happy to share more.